Still in Scottsdale. All right.
Rob?
Sabrina,
What are you doing here?
I'm early.
Yeah, nice slippers.
Thanks. You know, crazy story. I was out with my friend Ryan and we were in Old Town and it was really fun. You know what? Enough about me. Let's go see the house.
The home is Barbie inspired,
Yeah.
so we added a lot of pink elements to the house.
I noticed that.
So we have pink pillows, pink appliances. A lot of our outdoor elements are also covered in pink. Because this home is a 5-bedroom, 3-bath, we wanted to make sure that the dining space could seat at least 8 people. The home was inspired to entertain. The dining room kind of swirls into the entertainment part of the home, which then takes you into the kitchen. The kitchen is a hot pink, Barbie-inspired, super loud, fun, bubbly space. We have 5 bedrooms total, and they're named after wines. So you have the Champagne, Prosecco, Riesling, Moscato, and Rosé.
It all sounds like a hangover. The master bedroom, which is always the one that I think all the girls are going to fight for, everybody's going to want it. What makes that different than the other rooms in the house?
There's a big vanity room for women to kind of get ready together. We have lots of makeup lighting in there to kind of get together, get ready as a girls group before you head out into Old Town.
Okay, so we've seen inside the house. I want to get outside and kind of see what you've done outside, because if this is inside, I'm sure outside is just as fun. So where is the outdoor area? This way? Well, you have definitely continued the theme. We have pink everything.
We have an awesome outdoor space behind the house. It has a golf mini putt section and just a place for people to play outdoor games and really continue that entertainment space from the inside to the outside.
And that's the thing I actually love about this house, is for how pink and in your face it is. It actually is, in a weird way, subtle. Like,
yeah.
It isn't just for girls. I have a couple of friends that would totally love doing this.
We've had some groups of guys inquire for the house as well, just because it's supposed to be a fun house.
Yes.
And I think if you're down to have a good time, if you're down to go out in Scottsdale, get a group together, I think this would be a great house.
I have another house to go check out, but you were gonna kill it. I know it.
Thank you.
I do have one question though.
Yeah.
If you could do like a Ken house, can I invest in maybe like the Ken house with you?
Oh, absolutely.